Hey y'all, it's your girl TT Lavish, and today I'm gonna show you how I do my hair start to finish. I know you guys be pressing me. You guys really want to see my hair start to finish, especially when that new growth is bumping. Okay, all right, so let's get right into it because I got to go like always. Oh, I have a jacket on because I don't want to get water on my shirt that I'm planning to wear out. And this is how I slept with my hair last night. I just had this little braid and then big braid, and just any way that I won't get too many tangles. Sometimes, you know, I just sleep with it parted in the middle and splayed outwards, but if I have it like this, I can like roll around and not worry about it. So I'm just gonna take this out really quick. I just figured out a way to stand up my mirror while I do this so I can see. So hopefully I'll be able to actually see what I'm doing. But I might be like dipping down a little bit first. So I'm just gonna make a little part. Is that in the middle? No. That's not the middle. That's like... Actually, I'm probably not going to talk to you guys too much while I do this so I can get it done quickly, because I'm not like in a super rush, but like also I don't want to spend forever doing my hair. So this is a hairstyle I'll usually do at night, and then put my scarf on and let all that hair set and smooth out overnight, and then I'll usually wear it out for like the rest of the week or at least a few days. I'm doing it for you guys here. So I'm not doing it overnight, so it's gonna be a little bit frizzier than if I had let it set for the whole overnight. But I wanted to show you guys start to finish because y'all be pressing me. So now I'm just parting my hair into sections before I get started on my twist. And this is a really good way to stretch out my new growth before my touch-ups. Right now I'm really excited that there might be a salon in my area soon, because Gina is launching a course to teach stylists how to perform this innovative technique for healthy hair. Because right now, Hair Salon in Connecticut is the only location for the GinaCurl or the GinaCurl straight variation. But the more stylists who learn the technique, the more locations will be available for us to get the GinaCurl. So if you know a stylist in your area, tell them about the GinaCurl and send them to GinaCurl.com for more information so they can sign up before August 31st. Okay? But yes, I absolutely love the gel with the Blue Magic conditioner. It's so good for my twist, and when I lay it down overnight, it just smooths it out so nicely. In the spray bottle is just water, and I keep wetting it because I typically do this on just out the shower fairly wet hair. And I'm gonna throw my scarf on so I can get the maximum scarf time while I do my edges, since I won't be sleeping with it like I normally do. So for my edges, I start with Murray's Edge Wax. That's gonna hold it in place while I'm working with it, and then on top of that I put Gorilla Snot, and that's gonna hold it in place for the rest of the day. Now I'm about to switch from a clean brush to a crusty brush, because the ones with some crust just really get the job done. The rest of my hair, I'm just going to put water. It typically would already be wet from the shower, but I'm going to go ahead and try and wet it with a spray bottle. I don't think it's getting wet enough. Because you want the curls to like come together and then yeah. I'm really trying. Because I know if I go and do it in the shower, you guys are gonna be like, you didn't show us from start to finish. Can too. Okay. Ring lights. Yes. Yeah, that's good. I'm just gonna do the other side now. Oh, the lights are out. Okay, slap some Cantu in there. Okay. This is how like I do my hair when I'm rushing to class, and then I'll go out with my hair like this, and I'll just blow all in the wind and like get it right. Okay. And then while my hair is drying now, let's put that excess up there. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. Oh, it's starting to get dry. Yeah. Give it slow. Alright, so I'm gonna pause this real quick because I know if I wrap up this video without letting my hair fully dry, you guys are going to have a conniption. Like, I know it's gonna be some problems. So let me just, we're gonna pause. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna come back to it and I'll show you when it's dry, or at least until, as long as I have to let it dry until I really need to leave the house. Yep, so that's one of the ways I like to do it, you know. In a couple days I'll take these out, and it's a fun, easy style. I might put like a bobby pin and anything that's a little bit frizzy underneath, like a little bit. That's just how I tuck it. I mean, today I really didn't need the twist, but it's a fun way to do your hair, like twist it up a little bit like this. Of course, wearing your scarf overnight, longer than the 20 minutes it takes to do your makeup. And then when you take these twists out, like tomorrow or the next day, whenever you get tired of this style, you'll have really nice twisty loops. But this is the hair. It's dry now. I mean, I can't say it's 100% dry, but as you can see, it's pretty dry. So yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe, join the fam. Go ahead and share it with your mama. If you're new here, welcome to the fam. And if you're an OG, thanks for tuning in. Bye, love. Alright, so I have my makeup on. So, I will try to take a picture of that so you can see it. What we about to watch, y'all? What we about to watch next?